yesterday I didn't get to go up Snowdon because I was marshalling at the bottom of the mountain. So today we're going to take this little cute little train to get up there and have a little walk and have a little bit of an adventure, right?
Right.
So let's go then.
Let's go. Which one?
There. Just realized that there wasn't a huge queue on the train, and the price of the ticket was very good. And we're supposed to be taking the train to go up Snowdon, and we kind of took the wrong train that just goes around the lake. I blame it on him. It's all Grandpa's fault. you said that's the station. Let's go. Oh, come on! It was very fun. Yes. Look at the beauty, right? Yeah, let's try and get the other one now, please. Tray falls off the truck, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. So, I think it's time for us to go across the road, and try and find out from the other station if we can go up Snowdon.
But before, let's make sure it is the right train.
Yeah, good plan.
Good plan.
Just so you have an idea of how we weren't that wrong. Here is the Lake Railway. You cross the road. Here is the mountain railway. We weren't that bad, were we? So it's the end of this part of the journey, and Gramps is going back to the big smoke. But yay, I'm staying for one more night of partying!
You're staying.
I'm going up in Snowdon, and on the train that we missed the first time around, and tomorrow yeah, I know. Tomorrow I'm planning to go climbing on a boulder that I found around here somewhere. So stick with me, right?
Right.
Cool, like glue. Got some pretty pictures of a cute girl that was meditating in the middle of the field as well over there. Really nice. Nice girl, smiley and all. Although I think she had some weed with her. Weed.
You feel smell?
Huh?
You feel smell?
No, but she had something that looked like it. It did that on a diary. But in any case, pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah, staying to explore one more night, and up Snowdon in a little bit. Say bye bye, Gramps.